what not to eat as a vegetarian. That is today's topic. Hello, I'm Missy Grace. How are you doing? I have friends asking me, when you're starting to be a vegetarian, don't you have to look at a lot of labels on the package, or before you put it into your mouth, you want to question what's in it or how is it cooked? Yes, you do. Once you start to transition into what you had in the past and what you now want to have, it has a difference, so you need to pay attention. For example, marshmallow, what's in it? Gelatin. How do they get the gelatin from? Mostly from the animal parts, skin, bones, and hooves, and that made that gel to put product together. Same thing with jelly beans. Okay, that's got gelatin in it. What else? There are things like simple fries. If you go to the fish and chip shop, how are they going to fry the potato chips? Are they using vegetable oil, or are they using pig fat, beef fat? That is something that you want to ask. Also, pastries, cakes, and muffins. Those ones, sometimes they will add butter, that's a dairy, that's animal fat, or they will have lard, also animal fat, and they put them into the production, so the the end result is going to be satisfying for the non-vegetarian. When you transition into vegetarian, you need to look into that sort of thing. Now, cheese is another one. How they make hard cheese is to use rennet, which is the inside lining of the animal intestine. That would coagulate the milk into the cheese form. So that is something that you need to ask. We do have vegetarian or the plant-based rennet that make cheese, so we can have that without any problems. And what other things that you need to look into will be, things that they produce mass or in the restaurant. They will use other animal products to crispy up or add more taste or let it look more glossy, and they are not vegetarian, they're not plant-based. They are the questions that you need to ask. Okay, that's something for you to think about and look into. Until next time, this is Missy Grace. Be well, be happy.